Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 9 of exercise 4A, chapter 4. Chapter name is Integers of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 9, exercise 4A of chapter integers. Chapter name is integers and topics are representation of integers, integers on number line and opposites of integers. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 6. Question number 6 is write the integers corresponding to the letters on the number line. This is the number line given and we have to find the integers for these given letters. Middle line is represented as O. O is 0. Middle line is 0 and from 0 to the left hand side all are negative integers and from 0 to the right hand side all are positive integers. From 0 to the right hand side, a is there. A will be 0 plus 1 is 1. A will be 1 positive integer. Then this is 2. Then h will be 2 plus 1 is 3 positive integer. Then 4. Then e will be 4 plus 1 that is 5 positive integers. Then f will be 5 plus 1 that is 6 positive integer. Then from 0 to the left hand side all are negative integer. From 0 to the left hand side g is there. G will be minus 1 and this line will be minus 2. Then d will be minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 negative integer. Then this is minus 4. This line is minus 4. Then c will be minus 4 minus 1 that is minus 5 negative integer. Then I will be minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 negative integer minus 6. Then b will be minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. Minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. Minus 7 is negative integer. So we get a is 1, a is positive integer 1. Then b is minus 7, b equal to minus 7. Then c equal to minus 5. This is c minus 5, c equal to minus 5. Then d is minus 3, d equal to minus 3 negative integer. Then e is 5 plus 5 positive integer equal to 5 positive integer. Then f is 6 positive integer, f is 6 positive integer. Then g is minus 1 negative integer, g equal to minus 1 negative integer, and h is plus 3 positive integer, h equal to 3 positive integer. Then I is minus 6, I equal to minus 6 negative integer. Now we get A, E, F and H. These four letters are positive integer. A, E, F and H are positive integers, and B, C, D, G and I are negative integers. B, C, D, G, I, B, C, D, G and I are negative integers, and E, F and H are positive integers. A, E, F and H are positive integers, and B, C, D, G and I are negative integers. Now we'll solve question number 7. Question number 7 is write all integers between, first bit is -3 and 2. We have to write all integers between -3 and 2. So between all integers -3 and 2 are, we can represent this on a number line. Here middle line is 0, then from left side negative integers, and to the right side of 0 positive integers. So 0 to the -1, -2, -3 and -4. We can represent these negative integers on a number line and positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right side of 0 on a number line. Now -3, we can represent -3 here. This is -3 and +2. 2 here we can represent 2 on a number line. Then between -3 and 2 the numbers are -2, -1, 0 and 1. Between -3 and 2 the integers are -2, -1, 0 and 1. These are the integers between -3 and 2. Second bit -8 and 0. We can represent -8 and 0 on a number line. Middle line is 0, and to the left hand side negative integers, that is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, -7, -8. We can represent -8 on a number line and 0 on a number line. Now we have to find all the integers between -8 and 0. -8 and 0, the integers are -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. These are the integers between -8 and 0. All integers between -8 and 0 are -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. Now we will solve question number 7, third bit C. Write all integers between -5 and 3. We have to find all integers between -5 and 3. First we represent the numbers -5 and 3 on a number line. Middle line is 0, and from right hand side positive integers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the positive to the right hand side, and from 0 to the left hand side negative integers 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. We can represent -5 and 3 on a number line. Here -5 and this is positive 3. Now we have to find the all integers between -5 and 3. Between -5 and 3 the integers are -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the integers between -5 and 3. Now fourth bit D, -15 and -12. We can represent -15 and -12 on a number line. Middle line is 0, and from 0 to the right hand side positive integers. These are the positive integers from 0, and from 0 to the left hand side negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. This is -12 and minus 13, minus 14, minus 15. This is minus 15. We can represent minus 15 and minus 12 on a number line. We represented minus 15 and minus 12 on a number line, and from between minus 15 and minus 12 the integers are minus 14 and minus 13. Integers between minus 15 and minus 12 are minus 14 and minus 13. Now we solve question number 8. Question number 8 is graph the points minus 7, minus 3, 0, 3, 7 and minus 5 and 6 on a number line. We can represent these integers on a number line. First draw the number line, and middle line is 0, and from 0 to the right hand side positive integers. These are positive integers, and from 0 to the left hand side negative integers. These are negative integers. So 0, then 1, 2 and 3. This is 0 and 3. This is positive 3 to the right side of 0. Then plus 6 to the right side of 0. 7 positive integers to the right side of 0. Then minus 1, 0 to the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is minus 3 to the left side of 0, negative integers. Then minus 4, minus 5. This is minus 5 to the left side of 0, negative integers, minus 5. Then minus 6, minus 7. Minus 7, this is minus 7. And this is to the left side of 0, negative integers. Now we'll solve question number 9. Question number 9 is represent the following integers on a number line. First bit is from minus 4 to 4, positive 4. First we draw the number line, and between the middle line is 0, and from 0 to the left hand side negative integers, and from 0 to the right hand side positive integers. Represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on number line to the right side of 0, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. These are the negative integers. Represent these negative integers on a number line to the left side of 0. Now find out the integers from minus 4 to 4. This is minus 4 and this is positive 4. And between from minus 4 to 4 the numbers integers are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, positive 1, positive 2, plus 2, positive 3, plus 3. These are the integers from minus 4 to 4. We have represented these integers on the number line from minus 4 to 4. From minus 4 to 4 the integers are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. B. Between minus 8 and minus 2. Represent the integers between minus 8 and minus 2. Middle line is 0, and from 0 to the right hand side positive integers, and from 0 to the left hand side negative integers. Represent from 0 to minus 1, then minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Represented these negative integers on number line. Then find out the integers between minus 8 and minus 2. This is minus 8 and this is minus 2. And from between minus 8 and minus 2 represent the integers on number line. Between minus 8 and minus 2 the integers are minus 7, minus 6, then minus 5, minus 4 and minus 3. These are the integers between -8 and -2. Between -8 and -2, the integers are -7, -6, -5, -4, and -3. Now we'll solve question number third bit C. Represent the integers greater than -5 and less than 3. We have to represent the integers greater than -5 and less than 3. First, represent the integers on number line. Middle line is 0, and from 0 to the left hand side negative integers, and from 0 to the right hand side positive integers. Represent the integers on number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the positive integers from 0 to the right hand side, and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. These are the negative integers represented on number line to the left side of 0. Now we have to find the greater integer greater than -5 and less than 3. Greater than -5, this is -5 and this is 3. And between -5 and 3, we have to find the integers greater than -5. Greater than -5, the integers are -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. These are the integers greater than -5 and less than 3. So we have to, these are the integers greater than -5 and now less than 3. Less than 3 integers are 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, and -4. Between -5 and 3, these are the integers greater than -5 and less than 3. Now D, less than -2 but greater than -7. First, represent the integers on number line. Middle line is 0, and from 0 to the right hand side positive integers, and from 0 to the left hand side negative integers. Represent the negative integers on number line -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, -7, -8, -9. These are the integers, negative integers on number line. Now represent the integers that is less than -2 but greater than -7. This is -7 and this is -2. Less than -2. Less than -2, the integers are -3. Less than numbers means from -2 to the left hand side. So -3, -4, -5, -6. -7 also, but greater than -7. Greater than -7 integers are -6, -5, -4, and -3. These four integers are less than -2 but greater than -7. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.